We are extremely sorry for the sudden interruption here on CBBC, but we have some important information to share with you. So please remain calm and take a look at the following message. We regret to announce that CBBC and other BBC services may close permanently, as it has been noted that the planet itself now lies under endless shrouds of darkness. Many researchers remain uncertain why this phenomenon is unfolding at present, yet it's believed that the sun has suffered a sudden shift in its temperature, and before long, all living things will decline and vanish within several weeks or perhaps a month in the course of passing time. Though this may alarm you, there is no cause to weep or despair, for the crisis will persist unless there is some method to restore the sun's heat within the given time, as mentioned before. The sun provides us with vitamin D, helping us to maintain essential support for bone strength, immune systems, and mood stability overall. Without it, we risk becoming sad and may eventually suffer depression or develop conditions such as osteoporosis. As of now, the climate is rapidly falling beneath 10 degrees Celsius. To brace for what approaches, we urge you to share last farewells with those most important to you, be they friends, family, siblings, or even your grandparents, before the final month of existence runs out. If you wish to store as many resources as possible, do not delay and collect food, clean water, and health supplies if you endure iron deficiency. Although it is completely natural to feel afraid or anxious, panicking will only leave you feeling worse than prior and will never change the present circumstance. Panic will simply consume the time remaining. In this moment now, each passing second matters and is highly valuable. You should regard each passing second as your final moments, for the end may be closer than you imagine. This alert message is no test or prank, and you must respond to this crisis with seriousness, as it is not amusing to dismiss or laugh at. As the planet steadily decreases in warmth, we wish to express gratitude to all who have tuned in to CBBC throughout these past 2 years. None of this could have happened without support from parents and younger viewers. So from everyone here at CBBC, our thanks go to every one of you. We shall now close down for the final time to let you cherish your last month of life while it remains. Though we have shared many fond moments upon this channel, all great things must end and pass away. Goodbye.